Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to import or transfer Mozilla Firefox data like history, passwords, and other informations into the Microsoft Edge web browser. Alright, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-open ang Microsoft Edge web browser. And dito lang sa upper right side, so we need to click the three dot. And then ang susunod ay kailangan lang natin i-select yung settings. Dito sa settings, yung pinaka-una lang sa profile. And then dito sa right side, so we need to select the import browser data. So click lang natin yan. And dito sa import browser data, so makikita mo kaagad dito yung import data from Firefox. And then dito sa right side, so we need to click the import. And then dito sa import browser data, so choose what to import. So it's up to you or desired options kung ano gusto mong ma-import like favorites or bookmarks, si password, personal info, or browsing history. Right? So pwede mong uncheck or check. So it's up to you or your desired option. And then next, so we need to click import. And all done. So we brought your data over here and click that. Alright, so ganoon na po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-transfer ng Mozilla Firefox data to Microsoft Edge. Alright, so I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.